Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how easy it is to pretty much learn how to ride bicycle with no hands. I know a lot of you guys out there have problems with this, and I'm gonna show you guys it's super easy. You just gotta train yourself the right way in the first stages so that you can pretty much just crawl before you walk, before you run type of thing. All right, guys? But we're gonna break this down and we're gonna get right to it. Before the start of the video, please make sure to slap a like for your boy. That would really help me a lot, you know. But without further ado, all right, guys, let's get right to it. I'm gonna show you guys how to ride bicycle with absolutely no hands, guys. All right, first I do advise you guys to have your brakes on the bike. I mean, for this, at least for practicing this, you know, just for safety. Make sure you got a helmet on too. I'm not wearing a helmet right now, but I will advise you guys to wear a helmet just in case. I don't want anybody out there falling and injuring themselves. Make sure you have the proper gear. But as far as riding the bicycle with no hands at all, it's super easy. It has to do with balance, but I'm gonna show you guys that it's almost, I'm gonna break it down to stages so that you guys get it really easily. First, let's just go ahead and just ride the bike normally as we normally would. Now, hopefully all you guys at this point are pretty much you know, able to do this right here with no issues. Next step I want you to do is I want you guys to practice just with one hand. I'm pretty sure most of you can do this too without any issues. So make sure you just, you know, try to practice using just only one hand. All right, guys? Once you feel comfortable like doing this with no problem, you just ride on the bicycle with one hand. Obviously, I'm just breaking this down just for the people that are truly new to riding bicycle, or even they're just trying to progress to the more harder stuff without, you know, missing any of the easy stuff first. So everybody that can do all this, just don't mind me. I'm just trying to baby steps for everybody that can't do this, so everybody gets this. All right, so here we go. So next thing I want you guys to do is, you know, look at my hand posture. Almost picture like a C word, a C letter. You know, almost like you're gonna cup this, and you're not just gonna grip it tight, you know, on the handle. You're just gonna like have it over it, and you're just gonna hold it. My right hand is pretty much gonna be like out here, almost like I'm raising my hand. You know, almost like I'm swearing to tell the truth type of thing. My hand is right there, almost like I swear to tell the truth. In that position, my left hand is almost cupping the left handlebar, and I'm just using this just for the most part, just to get used to the balance. Like I let go, but if I needed to, I can just tap it back into balance if I feel, you know, afraid of falling down or anything like that. So this is, I would say this is the beginner stages. Like I want you guys to practice this a lot at first, you know, just to kind of get the gist of this. Now, once you get more speed, then, you know, without fear, I want you guys just to let go. And at this point, like, I want you guys to use your legs, your knees, your legs as what corrects the bike. So for example, if you begin to lose balance on the right side, then you're gonna pedal really hard with the left one, as I just did right there. And if I lose balance on the left side, then I'm gonna pedal really hard on the right leg, as I just did right there. And that's how you regain the balance over and over. Feel free to bring your hands back whenever you reach an end point or you need to turn around or whatnot. But like, once you get that trick, guys, and remember the key is you gotta have momentum. You can pretty much do this trick for as long as you want. I can ride with no hands pretty much for any long distance, as long as I keep my legs keeping the bike in balance. Now do note, look, a gust of wind just hit me and it did throw me a bit to the left. So you do gotta watch for wind too. Just remember, guys, always have one of these hands of yours really fast, ready to grab the bike back into balance. But as you can see, I'm almost like a trapeze artist. I can use my hands to rebalance myself, correct my disbalance basically, or even my pedaling. So that's pretty much the whole trick on how to ride the bicycle with no hand, guys. It's pretty easy. It might take you a little practice, but I promise anybody can do this. It's very easy to do. It took me no more than one day to master, really, guys. So yeah, guys, hope you guys found that informational and helpful. Please let me know if that helped you out, if any of you guys were able to get the trick down with my method. And yeah, guys, please make sure to slap a like. It will help me out a lot. Smash the like button. Please subscribe, turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. It's really a beautiful day out here, by the way.
Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. And with that one, I'm outie guys. Peace.